Hi, welcome to this tutorial. I'm going to show you how to graph inequalities and show the region that satisfies all inequalities. So we are asked to shade the region that satisfies the following inequalities. We have three inequalities, this one here, this one, and this one here. So just a quick recap on drawing inequality lines then. If we have the symbol with the equal bit, so if we have this or that, then we need to draw a solid line. If we have just symbols like this, then we need a dashed line. Okay, let's start drawing the first line then. So we've got 2y plus x. We're going to have to make it equal to 8. Then we need at least 2 points. You do not need more than 2 points, but you can have more than 2 points if you wish. I'm just going to have 2 points. So I'm going to choose 2 values of x. That will give me 2 values of y. And I'm going to choose 2 and 4. Right, you can choose any values of x if you like. You need to consider your graph's numbers scale, so you don't get numbers that are bigger than this. So I have chosen 2 because I can see these are even values, so I can get good values for my y, but you can choose anything you want. Anyway, when x is 2, we subtract 2 both sides, then we have 2y equals 6, and then y is going to be equal to 3. When x is 4, then you have 2y equals 4. That means y is 2. Right, so now we've got our 2 points. We can go on the graph and plot them. So we've got when x is 2, y is 3. So 2 across and 3 up is this point here. 4 across and 2 up. So 4 across and 2 up is this point here. Now I can go ahead and draw my line. So you need to make sure you have a sharp pencil, and you need to have a ruler to draw your line. Okay, so just in case you make mistakes or whatsoever, and you need to draw a nice long line, not a short line that just connect the 2 points. So you need a nice long line, and hopefully yours will be a little bit more accurate. So I think I can do that much so far. Okay, so this line is drawn, but it's an inequality. When we have a straight line, only the points on the line will satisfy that equation. But we have inequality, so we have more than one answer. It's a region. So we need to test which side of the line is good. Is it this side or this side of the line? To do that, you need to select a point. I'm going to choose point 2, 2. So I'm going to test which side is good. So let us test 2, 2. So we need to substitute these values into our inequality. So 2 and then y is 2, and then plus x is also 2. And then we should get this if it satisfies. So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. And we can see 6 is less than 8. So we are happy with this side of the line. I'm just going to mark it at this point. So I know I'm not happy with that side. Now for the second line, we've got x is greater or equal to 1. So we need to draw a line x equals 1. And before we go ahead, make sure you label this line as 2y plus x equals 8. Okay, so x equals 1 then is just here. It's going to be a vertical line. That's x equals 1 there, all the way down. So we just grab a ruler and a pencil, and we draw our line all the way down. Okay, again, you need to make sure you label this line. So this is x equals 1, but which side of the line do we want? Is it left or right? where our condition x has to be greater or equal to 1. So it has to be, this is the side that you are happy with. Okay, so far we're happy with everything down here and everything going that way. So we're not happy with that side, we're not happy with that side. And now for the last one, then we have y equals to x minus 1. We need 2 points again, so we can draw our line. I'm going to make x is 0 and 1 here. Okay, so when x is 0, 0 minus 1 is negative 1, so y is negative 1. When x is 1, 1 take away 1 is 0, so y is 0. Now I can go and plot these 2 points, so 0, negative 1. X is 0 on the y-axis and negative 1 is here. And then x is 1, y is 0 on the x-axis, so that point is going to be right there, okay, because that's 1. Then I just grab a line, ruler and pencil for you, and we're going to draw a nice line, okay, a nice long line to join these 2 points. So I think we can move it a little bit that way, and hopefully it doesn't move. There you go. Good. All right, so remember to label this line y equals x minus 1. Now we need to know which side of the line do we want. Is it this side or is it this side? Okay, I'm just going to choose 2, 2 again. So we're going to test this line. This point 2, 2. Does it satisfy our inequality? So y is 2 and it's got to be greater or equal to x is 2 and then take away 1. 2 is greater or equal to, take away 1 is 1. Yes, 2 is greater than 1. I'm happy with this one. So I'm happy with this side of the line. So the only region that satisfies all these 3 inequalities is this region in the middle. Okay, so let's just shade that region. This is the region that is making everyone happy. Okay, so that is the region that satisfies all these 3 inequalities. If you pick any of these points inside or on these lines, because they are solid lines, they will satisfy all these 3 inequalities. So thank you for watching. Remember to press like and subscribe to my channel. See you again.